How to set up a remote desktop connection in under 60 seconds using Phaze. First, head over to Phaze.app. Click the button to download Phaze for Windows. Once it's downloaded, open the installer and finish the installation. Open Phaze by searching for it in Windows. Click the sign up button and register your username, email, and password. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to start making connections to other computers. Phaze needs to be running on another computer that is set up to host connections. If you haven't done this already, repeat the installation process and log in on another computer. Alternatively, you can connect to your friend or colleague's computer. They just have to share their computers with you. Tell them to navigate to sharing, add someone, and add the email you used to sign up. Now you'll see their computer in the Connections tab. All you have to do from here is click Connect and you are connected to a remote computer in under 60 seconds. For more tutorials on how to use Phaze, news on updates, and more, subscribe or check out our other socials below.